Hi guys, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to install Java on Windows 11 operating system. But first of all, I need to open the command prompt and check whether the Java is installed in my system or not. So I will type the command java dash version. Okay, Java is not installed, so I need to first download the Java JDK. So first I need to open the Google Chrome browser, and in the Google search bar I will type download Java JDK, and then I'm going to click this link oracle.com/java. Click this link, and then afterwards I will go in my Windows section. Okay, go here in the Windows section and I will download this MSI installer. Okay, click this, and this is going to download the installer. Okay, so this is going to take some time. So I have already downloaded this file, so I'm going to cancel the download process. Now let me just open this file. But before we proceed, I would request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and most importantly press the bell icon so that you get to know my latest videos and updates. Now let me just open the exe file. Okay, and okay, this is going to open the exe file. Okay, now click next. So this is my directory where the Java is going to be installed. C program files Java JDK something. Okay, now C program files, where is program files? Okay, now let me just click next, click yes. Okay, the installation is successfully completed. Click close. Now let me just go to the directory where this is installed. Program files C program files Java, so JDK 22. So now I'm going to go in the search bar and I'll type environment variables. Okay, edit the environment variable. So first I'm going to provide the path of this bin directory, and let me just copy this and paste it over here. Okay, I'll set the path, and let me just add the path over here. Edit and new, set the environment variable first, and okay, now I'm going to create a new variable, and I'll have Java underscore home, and my home directory is for Java is this. Let me just remove this part. Now this is going to be my home directory, and where's the path? Let me just open the path again, and this is going to be the environment variable. Okay, now click OK, click OK. Okay, so now my environment variable is set. Now I'm going to open the command prompt and check whether the Java is installed is or not. Type the command java dash version. Now look, Java is installed in my system. Okay, now next what I need to do, I need to create a program which is going to say hello world. Okay, now create a new program, create a first program, hello world. So I have already created a folder with Java program. So create a Java file, new, open this file as notepad++, and let me just copy this code over here and save this as I'll save this as first program. So make sure this name, the class name and the file name should be same. Okay, .java, and save as, not save as the text file, Java source file, save. Okay, now let me just check the file. Okay, look, the Java file is created. Now let me just remove the text file. Now I'm going to execute the first program. So in order to execute, I'm going to open the command prompt. First I need to go in the directory where this file is located. I will go in my E directory. Okay, now paste the path here, go to my E directory. Okay, now I'm going to first compile this program. So in order to compile, I will type the command javac and the name of my program. So name of my program is first program. first program dot java, enter. Okay, so this is going to compile and this will be the compiled file. So now I'm going to run the compiled file. So in order to run, I'll type the command java and space and then first program is going to be the name of my compiled file, enter. So it says that could not find or load main class first program. So now instead of executing this command, I'll use another command, java dash class path and then space dot space in the name of my compiled file, first program, and then enter. Now you will see the output hello world. Okay, so I hope you are having a good understanding. So I would request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button and make sure that press the bell icon so that you get to know my latest videos and updates. Thank you so much and have a great learning.